Hey guys, it's Jessica. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica Dance, and if you're not new, thank you for coming back and hanging out with me again. First off, let me just say I'm sorry that I look kind of pale, kind of deathly, because I'm a little sickly. That little stomach crud going around hit me yesterday pretty hard, and recovering today. But guess what came in? So we gotta play with it. We gotta see what's in it. Y'all, I must say, I'm trying this new squalene and rose vegan lip balm, and I really enjoy it. It feels nice on my lips. I wanted to put something on that looked a little bit shiny, but it's not coming off on camera like it is in person, but things just happen that way. Alright, so let's just jump into this Boxy, okay? Let's see. It is, we got red on the inside. First of all, y'all, let me just say this. Okay. So this is January's box. December's box was just about like this too. I mean, it was a thicker box, okay? This was September's. And it was the same price. So, I don't know if they just decided to... Well, I did know that they went up like $2 or $3 a month. And maybe that's why, so they can make a bigger box. But I was just kind of surprised to see that big change. But, I mean, I'm okay with it. Just, it was something that I noticed. Don't fall, please don't fall. Thank you. Alright, so the first thing I see is this Avant Shea Butter Rice Bran Panthenol Polydecatin. Oh, it's an 8-hour sleep renewal sleeping mask. Ooh, I was reading all kinds of fun stuff. That must have been ingredients. Yep, that is. And I think I remember seeing this online, and it was just really expensive. Let me read the little thing. Breaking the Ice. It's what it's called. Oh, and I have version 1 box. That's pretty cool. I don't think I've ever gotten one of those. Avant Skincare 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. The 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask works to reveal more youthful and beautiful skin overnight. It also helps to tighten the skin and lessen the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. It retails for $107. Y'all, I would not go spend $107 on this. I'm sorry. I mean, unless it's starting to pay my bills or something, like, Mama can't afford that. But, I am going to try it out. It's a sleeping mask. What do? Apply a thin layer to clean dry skin. Allow to absorb into the skin. No need to wash off. Discontinue if redness or irritation occurs. And it says do not ingest. You gotta let us know. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, it's just a normal little white cream. Feels, it does feel thick. But it does feel good. Does feel really good. I'm a little hesitant on this because shea butter is in it, and it's not really the best ingredient for oily skin because it can make you oilier. But I guess if it's a sleeping mask, I don't really think it's going to make much difference because I'm going to wash it off in the morning before I put makeup on anyway. So I'm going to try this. I'll let you know. Alright, next is Wander Beauty Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo. Ooh, I like a good blush and bronzer moment. Hold on. Gotta open it. Ooh. They are both 8 grams or 0.28 ounces. Oh, I love the packaging. It's, I don't know if y'all can hear that, but it's like got raised beveled. Oh, it's beautiful. Not beveled. Well, maybe it is, but it's just a raised. It just feels really good. It feels high quality. That's so good. Trip for two. Oh, I don't really see that as a bronzer, but the blush is beautiful. The bronzer on camera looks like a pale brown, but in person, it looks like a shimmery, goldish gray. I don't know. Swatch it. See, it's more gold. It's more gold. I don't know if that's going to work well. But Bellini here. Bellini's pretty. I have another Bellini. Hold on. This is Wonder Beauty. And this is Ofra in Bellini. Hold that thought. Wonder Beauty's Bellini. Ofra's Bellini. See? Bellini. Oh no, I know I've seen the name before. Costa Ray. Never been to Costa Ray. But we'll have to try it. You know what? Let's just do it. Let's just say screw it. Okay, we're gonna try some blush. I don't know. I'm doing this backwards, y'all. I have no makeup on here. I just want to see how pretty the color is. It is a pretty color. I'm not mad about that. Let's check out this bronzer. Ooh. That is highlighty. Not good for pale skin. It just looks like a highlighter that I'm putting in the wrong spot. That's what it looks like. But it's okay. I'm not mad about that at all. I may end up giving this to a friend of mine that has a darker skin tone than me. The blush I think is going to be too light for her, but I don't know. We're going to play. We'll see. Not my favorite. What else have we got in here? Oh, wait a minute. Let me go back here. Wonder Beauty Trip for Two. Soft Matte Blush and Bronzer Cheek Duo. Blend seamlessly into the skin. Deliver a natural glowing complexion. Add buildable warmth and a flush of color. Made with a hydrating blend of mango and seed butter and sunflower seed oil to help soothe and brighten. That's pretty cool. It retails for $36. $36. Alright, so this is Mana Kadar. What are you? Some kind of lip thing. Mana Kadar Beauty Lip Whip. A matte lip color that is whipped to perfection, easy to apply, and formulated with long-lasting pigments that don't dry out your lips. Let us see. I have no nails. None. None. Which way does it open? Doesn't look whippy. Just feels like a lip color. Ooh, it is pretty. I love me a nude. It is getting everywhere. I think I would probably need a lip liner with this because it tends to want... Okay. It wants to bleed. So I probably would need... That looks sexy, y'all, don't it? Do I have anything left here? Well, the color's beautiful. Like I said, it is trying to bleed. So definitely get you, golly. I need a lip pencil. Okay. Just moving on, because, you know, it's just a hot mess over here. Sicklies and all. Alright, so let's do Too Faced Diamond Light. Diamond Fire Highlighter. It's a really thick package. How do you open it? Am I missing something? No. Is there a sticker? Yep, there's a sticker. was a sticker. Let's see. Da-da-da-da. Well, isn't that just as cute? It's almost like a ring box inside of a box. Okay, that is cute. It has this little protrusion here. I guess it's, oh my gracious. Look at that highlighter. Wow. Oh, it's so soft. Ooh. And it's so shimmery. Look up there. Oh yeah. Gonna be using you. Okay. She's beautiful. I'm sorry. She's beautiful. What are you? You are this one-of-a-kind highlighters infused with real crushed diamond powder and light reflecting pearls for a brilliant fancy pink diamond glow that will have you on planet shimmer. Light up your complexion with pure pink radiance and a silky powder formula. So swirl with a dual tone. Okay, dual tone. I guess that, sorry. I know that means two-tone. I get that. I do. Opalescent shades together and creating an ethereal custom glow all its own. Retails for $36. Wow, that is just beautiful. Like, I love the packaging. Like, I would buy this just for the packaging, probably. Oh, it's your time to shine. That's so cute. Alrighty, last product in here is, excuse me, looks like an eyeshadow palette. Ace Beauté Vintage Dawn. Yep, it's an eyeshadow palette, but it doesn't show me any colors. Let's see. Wow. This is like summertime all day long. Definitely warm. Definitely for the summer. But isn't that pretty? I get the color story. I do. It's like tropical island. I get it. All day long. Alright, so this is eyeshadow palette featuring 12 colors that are reminiscent of the beautiful sunrises. I can see that. And sunsets witnessed in various locations around the world. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide easy application. It retails for $34.99. Isn't that beautiful? And I like how there's a even, like, it's balanced. There's enough shimmers, there's enough mattes. I like that a lot. Are we gonna play? We're gonna play just a minute. I'm already getting tired. It's probably telltale sign I need to go back to bed. Alright, so let's go in with a little bit of this yellow daybreak here. Yellow. Yellow's a little bit patchy. But if you build it and blend, it shouldn't be much of an issue. Okay, we're going to go in now with some Horizon. Why not? Where? I'm right here. Okay, I was making sure that was coming off. Hey, you see my setup? It's my phone sitting right now. Because you know we're struggling. Okay, so it is difficult to get a good orange. Let me just tell you. And the best orange that I've seen so far is the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Unless you have like a Jeffree Star palette. And then it's a little bit better. And I'm not talking about the Jeffree Morphe palette. I'm talking about the Jeffree palette. But this orange is not terrible. Just needs to be builded and blended up. So like I said, it's a little patchy there. The first two shades I've tried, the yellow and the orange, have been a little patchy. but they do build really pretty. Alright, so now let me go in with a smaller brush. Ooh. Let's do into this Grand Canyon here, which is like a burnt orange, so to speak. That's pretty. I don't really know exactly what I'm going for here. I'm just laying down some stuff. Just playing. Because there's nothing wrong with playing. And if y'all don't like how I do it, guess what? It's just makeup. It washes off. You think anybody that ever created a new look didn't look like a hot mess to begin with? Alright, we're going to go in with this brown pyramid shade. That's just deepening it up in my outer V. A pair of lashes on this thing will look cute. Alright, and we're going to take some of this shimmer. I'm going to go in with Golden Hour first on my finger. Ooh. Okay, the shimmer laid down really pretty. Alright, and next I'm going to go in with Sun. They do feel a little dry, but they're going down really pretty. But they don't feel creamy like some glitters. Alright, what color do we want on the bottom? I think I want this burnt red. A little bit of that brown. Oh yeah. Pop on some mascara and some lashes and it'd be cute. Alright. Well, thanks for hanging out with me. Doing this boxy unbox. I know I look like a raccoon right now because I don't have mascara or lashes on. But I'm about to take all this off and go back to bed. But I just wanted to share with you guys what my January 2020 Boxycharm box was. And I hope to see you guys soon. Okay, bye.